one last final flip. You want to take them out, place them into the food processor. Now, you can pass these through a sieve, which will give you a very fine texture and help you remove any of the bits of sinew that you might have missed. But a food processor for most purposes does just fine. Take out the smaller bits first, if any were cut up. Leave the larger pieces in for just a minute. Finish cooking. Overdone, dump them into the food processor, and then using a separate container, don't pour straight out of the bottle of brandy. Pour just, sorry about that, I deglazed the pan a little quicker than I wanted, but pour the bit of Calvados or brandy into the pan, flame it and deglaze. Don't singe anything. If